Hello everybody on YouTube. Here's Banilla again with a new toy review of the Ultraman and Godzilla Kaiju Toys. Today we have Banilla. Here is he. He is an Ultraman High-Tech Kaiju made in 1983 by Bandai. And this is his original tag. Yeah. He is the Kaiju number 38 of the Ultraman Kaiju series. On the tag it's, you can see Bandai 1991, but the top of the foot said 1983. Yeah. This is the back. Yeah. Banilla is 55 meters tall, and yeah, it's a cool kaiju. He is one of two mystic monsters in the series. And the second was the Aberras. I have it here. They fought together in the series, and Aberras wins. He melted him with his acid breath. Yeah. Then came Ultraman. So Ultraman here, and he beat Aberras, of course. The articulation, the arms can move 360, and the legs can move 360. Both. The tail cannot move, and the head, maybe he could, but he's glued, I think. Yeah, the paint job. He has gray details on his back, on his legs, arms, and tail. Little bit, yeah. And that's, yeah, just here I have orange veneer, white eyes, and a pig nose. Banilla came back in the Ultraman Powered series, as known as Powered Banilla, and it's the same story like the Ultraman series. He fought Powered Aberras, and Powered Ultraman beat both series. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed, and we'll see later with my next toy review. Bye.